You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to recreate this really cool ponytail that I'm obsessed about. And it's an Ariana Grande inspired ponytail. I love Ariana. We all love Ariana. We all love her hair. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. But we gotta remember that she has extensions and lots of them. So we're not gonna get the same effect, but we're gonna try our best and get as close as we can. Let's start the tutorial. Woohoo! So the first thing that I'm gonna do is part my hair in two parts, one at the bottom and one at the top. And now all I'm doing is using a comb and a brush. I'm really brushing the hair so that it's sleek and nice, and with the comb I'm just making sure that I part it correctly and I don't get any hairs from the bottom mixed the part above, because when you take it off, if any little hairs get mixed in the wrong parts, it will be really painful. And now I'm just making it really sleek and neat with the comb. Now using this elastic, I'm gonna put up this high ponytail. And what this does is, as you can see, it will give much more volume to the hair. By making two ponytails in one, it will give you way more volume. Anyways, I have lots of hair. I have lots of volume without really looking for it, but I'm really grateful for my hair. Anyways, make sure you take your time with this hairdo. Now really brushing the bottom part, again really well, making sure it's sleek, that it's even in all the parts. You don't get any bald spots because the hair might get a little mixed up. So yeah, take your time, brush it really well, and then you want to make sure you put up the bottom part together with the top part so that you make one ponytail and you totally mask the other ponytail that you did before. As you can see, I'm really struggling because I really want it to be as perfect as it can get. And I really like this look of a really sleek scalp that looks almost perfect. That's why I'm really taking my time. And it should look something like this. Now I'm taking a small piece of hair from above and I'm gonna put it around the base of the ponytail so that it masks the elastic. And I'm gonna pin it on the back with a bobby pin. To make the hair look even smoother, I'm gonna take a gel. So I'm gonna put it on both of my hands and I'm gonna do this motion that the hair looks sleek, and I'm gonna calm down all my baby hairs because I have lots of baby hairs, and as I said, I like my hair to be really sleek. Now using this flat iron that has curved edges, that has rounded edges, I'm gonna make some really subtle curls so that my hair is not straight, but of course you can make them more intense, or you can skip this part if you don't feel like doing it. Now you can create more volume using this comb. I tried a little bit, but now I'm just smoothing out my hair. Make sure it's smooth out, and it should look something like this at the end. And this is the tutorial. I really hope you like it. Tell me in the comments below if you like it, and if you're gonna recreate it, make sure to follow me on Instagram and send me a picture so that I can repost it and we can all rock our Ariana Grande ponytails. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Mwah!